BalanceFrom Advanced Yoga Mat App. The pros, the cons. Most people think a yoga mat is just a simple surface, but the BalanceFrom Advanced Yoga Mat App shows how combining guidance and premium equipment can elevate your practice. You won't believe the difference it makes in both comfort and effectiveness. On the plus side, the app provides guided yoga sequences tailored for beginners, intermediates, and advanced users. You'll find detailed video instructions that focus on proper alignment, breathing, and posture, helping you get the most out of each session. The app also includes meditation and stretching routines, making it a comprehensive tool for wellness, not just yoga. BalanceFrom mat itself complements the app perfectly. With extra thickness and high-density cushioning, it offers superior support for joints and pressure points, which is especially beneficial for longer sessions or advanced poses. The non-slip surface ensures stability, so you can focus fully on your flow without worrying about slipping. Another advantage is progress tracking. The app logs session frequency and duration, helping you stay consistent and motivated. Over time, you can see improvements in flexibility, strength, and balance, which makes it easier to stick with a routine. On the downside, the app requires a subscription to unlock all guided content, and some users may find the routines less varied compared to live classes. Additionally, while the mat is comfortable, it is larger and heavier than basic mats, which might be less convenient for travel or storage. In conclusion, the BalanceFrom Advanced Yoga Mat app is an excellent choice for anyone serious about home yoga. Its combination of guided instruction, meditation features, and high-quality mat design creates a safe, effective, and enjoyable practice. While cost and portability are considerations, the value it delivers in improving form, comfort, and consistency makes it a worthy investment for long-term wellness.